Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is Doggy With Hat. Doggy With Hat, with every transaction a reward, with every thought a gain. Doggy With Hat makes you earn Doggy coin automatically. And as guys, you can buy Doggy With Hat now. So guys, you can click this button buy Doggy With Hat. Then you can see this page is loading. Guys, you can check here page interface. So guys, you can buy now through PancakeSwap.finance. So first of all guys, you can connect your wallets. You can click here and connect following wallet: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKX wallet, Binance wallet. So guys, you can connect any wallet. Then you can select network. You can click here and select network, BNB chain, Ethereum, Polygon. So I select BNB chain. Then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 300. Then you can receive Doggy With Hat. If you want to swap Doggy With Hat to BNB, then you can click here and enter your Doggy With Hat amount. Then you can receive BNB now. So guys, you can see this, you can buy now. And next we back to the home page and see the small detail about this amazing project. Fair launch of Doggy With Hat 10 p.m. The fair launch of Doggy With Hat will take place at PancakeSwap on February 11 at 22 UTC. So guys, you can buy Doggy With Hat now. And next guys, you can check here about Doggy With Hat. Doggy With Hat is an innovative token that combines the power of Dogecoin with the strategy of passive rewards, offering holders a unique way to grow their portfolio by keeping Doggy With Hat in your wallet. You can earn Dogecoin with every transaction through automatic reflections, creating a cycle of continuous growth designed for cryptocurrency enthusiasts who believe in the potential of Dogecoin. Doggy With Hat is not just a token but an opportunity to make your investment work for you. With a growing community and a differential model, Doggy With Hat offers a fun and profitable way to engage in the crypto world. So guys, you can check here details about this project Doggy With Hat. And next guys, you can check here tokenomics of this project, the best tokenomics, total supply. You can check here fees, buy and sell 8%, distribution fees, Dogecoin reflections 5%, auto liquidity 2%, marketing 1%. So guys, you can check here contact address of this project. And next guys, you can see this more detail about this project. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Doggy With Hat official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and you can check here all detail about this project. You can see this fair launch Doggy With Hat 11 February. So guys, you can join now. You can see this. You can all posts. You can see this. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can check here. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we can go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this Doggy With Hat Telegram group chat community is open. 2585 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group here. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.